Hello, art lovers. Lala Sparks here again with another piece of beautiful art to encourage someone out there. Today, we'll be doing a jewelry plate. I've been doing some jewelry plates lately and just testing and trying to see which one I love. I am putting in here, I've put in my seashells, both turquoise and neutral seashells, and I'm going today with emerald green and purple. Emerald green and purple alongside a lot of glitter. I mixed glitter in it. You can see how beautiful that mica looks, the mica powder with the glitter in the resin. And I'm just poking with my popsicle sticks to make sure that the resin goes all the way to the bottom. I cannot wait to see how this one turns out. Using this mold for the first time as well. And I personally have a jewelry plate or box or whatever you want to call it. But on molding days here, and I have decided already what encouragement words I'm gonna put on here. Of course, I already did it with my Cricut. I have a Cricut that I usually use for other projects, and here we go. My favorite part is on molding. I can't wait to see how the look. That's how the back looks, and I can't wait to see how the. I love it. It's so beautiful, and I am in love with how smooth and just the detailing. I'm in love with the detailing. And of course, here I'm going to apply my encouraging words. And today we are going with the words I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy. Just to encourage everyone out there, you are worthy. Just remember, the link to this will be in my description. And I'm hoping that this will encourage someone out there. I used UV resin. And until next time, stay encouraged, guys.